All right, class, we have one more debugging exercise for this chapter. Let's go ahead and open up our DebugThree4 project. We're going to double click on our form. This application calculates your age from your birth year. So we have a enter your birth year, enter your current year, click OK. I'm going to open up this form and click on form 1 to get my code up here. Let's go ahead and run the program, see if anything sticks out to us. Yeah, it can't run. We have some syntax errors, so let's see what's going on. All right, so we have our form. We have our calculate button method. We have a int birth. We have a number for the birth, a number for the year. So I guess that's your birth year, the current year, and then we have age. Age is not initialized up here, so let's go ahead and do int for age and a semicolon. That'll take care of that red squiggle. And we need a semicolon at the end of this to let it know that we are done with that one statement of instruction. So we have textbox.1 or textbox1.text, textbox2.text. We're converting them both into integers for the birth and the year, and then the age is going to be the year plus the birth. We have output label.text. On your birthday this year, you will, or you were, or will be however many years old. So let's run it and see if it actually works. Enter your birth year. I am 1986. The current year is 2026. On your birthday this year, you were or will be 4,012 years old. Well, even though it feels like that sometimes, this is not correct. So let's see what happened in our code. Let's close that out. So here our age equals our birth plus the year. No, we want to have our the current year minus our birth year. So if we run that, it should work out just fine. So 1986, 2026, this should say 40. There we go. That's correct. All right, let me know if you have any questions. That's all we had to do to fix this one. Kind of a simple one. Hope it went well for you. Let me know if it didn't, and we will see you in the next video. You guys have a good day.